What would it be like to live in a well-rested world? Far too many of us have claimed productivity as the cornerstone of success. Brainwashed by capitalism, we subject our bodies and minds to work at an unrealistic, damaging, and machine-level pace, feeding into the same engine that enslaved millions into brutal labor for its own relentless benefit. Rest as Resistance. A Manifesto, by Tricia Hersey, is a powerful and thought-provoking book that challenges the notion that rest is a luxury and encourages readers to prioritize self-care and rest as a form of resistance against oppressive systems. The author, Tricia Hersey, is a self-care activist and founder of the NAP Ministry, an organization that aims to promote rest and healing as a form of resistance. In the book, she draws on her personal experiences and the stories of others to illustrate the importance of rest and self-care in the fight against oppression. One of the book's key themes is the idea that rest is not a luxury, but a necessity. Hersey argues that society often values productivity and hard work over rest, which leads to burnout and exhaustion. She argues that rest is a form of resistance against the expectation that individuals should constantly work and achieve. The book also delves into the ways in which rest and self-care can be used as a form of resistance against oppressive systems. Hersey explains how rest and self-care can be used to reclaim power and agency, and to resist societal pressure to be consistently productive. She also highlights the importance of rest and self-care for marginalized communities, who are often denied the opportunity to rest and are disproportionately affected by burnout. Hersey's writing is powerful and personal, and she uses vivid images and stories to bring her message to life. Its honesty and vulnerability make the book feel relatable and accessible, and its message is both thought-provoking and inspiring. The book also provides practical advice and suggestions for incorporating rest and self-care into daily life, making it a practical and helpful guide for readers. She covers a wide range of self-care practices, from meditation and journaling to napping and yoga, and encourages readers to find what works best for them. Overall, Rest as Resistance. A Manifesto is a must-read for anyone looking to prioritize self-care and rest in their lives. Hersey's message is both timely and important, and her writing is powerful and inspiring. This book will leave you motivated to take care of yourself and inspired to resist oppressive systems by prioritizing rest and self-care. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.